guys, if you are trading SMC and you are not yet making profits, maybe because you are seeing the market the wrong way. Today, we are going to talk about things that matter in the market and things that do not matter. Now, as a SMC trader, your focus should only be on the movement of the market, the structures of the market, and the key levels in some aspects. When it comes to structure, you need to focus on only two structures: the break of structure and the change of character. Other structure do not matter. When it comes to levels or key points, you need to focus on the order blocks and fair value gap. Other other levels do not matter. When it comes to confirmations, you need to focus on your CRT confirmation and your liquidity. Others do not what? Do not matter. So now today, I'm going to analyze this trade in that dimension with the key points that we need in this forex market. And if you can be able to follow the way I analyze my trade down to the 15-minute time frame, trust me, you are going to be profitable in the market. This is BTC USDT. And BTC, this is the weekly time frame. Now, you guys need to understand about time frame correlation. You need to compare so many time frames for you to get a perfect A+ setup. You can't be trading blindly. For you not to be trading blindly, you need to be trading, analyzing your charts from the higher time frame down to the lower time frame. That is what you need to be doing. So this is the weekly time frame. In a weekly time frame, you can see all of a sudden we are bullish to the upside. As a price action trader, you can see that you are bullish to the upside. And again, if you're also as a SMC trader, you can see our break of structures to the upside. SMC is just like a step. You can see the step. This is step 1, step 2, step 3, and step 4. Just like a step. You follow the step in accordance and you are going to be profitable. All of a sudden, after this push to the upside from BTC, break of structure, break of structure, break of structure, break of structure, we have a change of character. What does the change of character signify? A change of character signifies a change in market state of delivery. Market already changed movement. Market is no longer going in the upside, is now going in the downside. Now, the only thing that changes is the break of structure. We have our bullish break of structure and our bearish break of structure. This, for example, from here is our bullish break of structure. This is a bullish break of structure, another bullish break of structure, and so on and so forth. Then all of a sudden we add a change of character that shows price already changed from a uptrend to a downtrend, which means after that change of character, any other break of structure that is coming up is what? Is a bearish break of structure. For example, this is a bearish break of structure and this is a bearish break of structure. Do you understand? So after this, we can all agree that we are now bearish. From the weekly time frame, we are now bearish. Price action trader, what are you going to do? You can see it here. We are bearish. SMC trader, this is our latest change of character, and this is our break of structure to the downside and our new break of structure to the downside. What do price do? You can see price already mitigated this fair value gap. As I said, fair value gap is part of the confluences or part of the levels that you need to confirm a particular entry. So this fair value gap has already been mitigated by price. After the mitigation, price gave us a new break of structure to the downside. Then after the break of structure, what are we looking for? We are looking for to mark out the order block that causes that particular break of structure. This is the order block here. What is the order block? Order block is the last bearish or bullish confirmation before any or bullish candlestick before any impulsive move. You understand? Now this is the last bullish candlestick before this bearish impulsive move that causes the particular break of structure. Will you call this a valid break of structure or a non-valid break of structure? Let's continue the video. At the end of the video, I'm going to tell you if this is a valid break of structure or just a liquidity sweep. So after marking this our order block, we are going down to our daily time frame. Remember, everything in this video has already been set and placed in order before doing this particular video. In our daily time frame, you can see we still have a break of structure to the downside. And again, once it's time for time frame correlation, you need to make sure that the weekly time frame, the daily time frame, and the 4-hour time frame are all saying the same thing. The 2 hour, 1 hour, and 30 minutes are all saying what? The same thing. If they are not correlating in the same movement, if they're not going in the same movement, then that particular market is invalid. Now you can see in our daily time frame we're also bearish because this is our largest break of structure to the downside. Now, after adjusting this, I want you guys to focus on something. I need to understand that we are expecting price to go to this particular aspect. This is our point of interest that we marked out in our daily time frame. But it's going to take price days from price to move from this particular place up to this particular side. It's going to take it days. Trust me, it's going to take price days for it to move from here to here. So what are we going to do? We are going to counter trade, because if you go down to our lower time frames, you're going to see a pure entry to buy. Okay, you're going to see a confirmation entry to do what? To buy. Are we going to ignore that? No. Are we going to trade it? Yes. Will our risks be high? No. Are we going to risk low? Yes. Are we going to take profits? 90%. So let's continue. Now for our time frame, you can see we have series of break of structure. This is our change of character, another change of character, break of structure, change of character. But let's focus on the current market situation. What is the current market situation? Do not forget the overall market situation. Okay, the overall market, we are what? We are bearish in the overall market, but we are trying to figure out some things here. Okay, so you can see that this is our latest break of structure to the upside. But what now happened next? This is our order block. Do price mitigate it? Yes. Price mitigated our order block with what? With our CRT confirmation. Remember about the confirmation we talked about, the confirmation that we need, that I talked about, the CRT confirmation. Price already mitigated this particular area with that particular CRT confirmation. Do you understand? So this particular scenario, this particular market has also been mitigated. Let's push down. Let's continue our movement. Our 1 hour, 2 hour time frame. What do we have here? From the latest market structure, we have this liquidity. What do I call these guys? I call this double top or equal highs. This is liquidity area. Liquidity is being residing over this particular place. Liquidity is residing over here. We don't take that. Okay, this is our order block. This is our 4 hour. Okay, our 2 hour order block. 1 hour time frame. Let's mitigate it. I wish correct. Yeah. Okay, so our 30 minutes time frame. In a 30 minutes time frame, what do we have? We have price reacting. Okay, no reaction yet. We are still waiting for price because all this is now our liquidity area. You can see. All this is our liquidity area that we want price to tap into. Okay, our FVG, you can see our FVG clearly over here. This is our FVG. So this is what? This is a valid entry. Are we selling or are we buying? We are selling. Okay, this is our FVG. Our entry should be here. Our stop loss should be above here. And where's our target? Our target should be the nearest draw in liquidity. We're going to be targeting here. This is a 1:3 risk to reward ratio. This is a good risk to reward ratio. Okay, that is what we're going to be targeting. As easy as that. Okay, this is the 30 minutes time frame. Let's go down to again to our 15 minutes time frame to understand some things here. Okay, guys, we are using our 30 minutes time frame confirmations, okay? Which means we are selling from here. If price should do us the favor by tapping us in, then we are selling. Our entry confirmation should be what? Our entry confirmation should be CRT candle range. If there's no CRT candle range, then we are not entering. I hope you guys already know how the CRT candle range works. Go and study about that, okay? Do not just enter the market blindly. Wait for confirmations. Wait for proof before entering the market. Do not trade what? Do not trade blindly. If you trade blindly, you're going to lose, okay? After this analysis, even though price also moves to that our particular point of interest, wait for what? Wait for confirmations. Do you understand? I hope you guys do understand. So guys, see you guys in the next video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you guys next time.